Hi everyone, this is Jet and welcome again to my channel. So today's video is about creating planner stickers in InDesign. I also have other tutorials on planner stickers using Canva and Keynote. You might want to check them out, it gives you more options. I will leave the links in the description, and by the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell in case you want to get notified when I post videos like this. To my current subscribers, I always appreciate your support. Thank you so much. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so open up your InDesign, and this is what I have created earlier. Most sticker planners have this type of designs. They're just squares or rectangles, and they even have this ribbons and banners, and they also have this kind of like a gradient style stickers and all these other shapes. Right, so I'm going to show you how you can create this here in InDesign. So go ahead and create a new document. You can choose the size that you want. For this one, I did letter size. That's 8.5 by 11 inches. And for the margins, it doesn't really matter. Hit on create button. I'll just use this one. So I'll just add a page here. So I'm going to show you. So this is my margin here. And if you really want to be precise with your spacing, what you can do is go to layout and then create guides. So you want your columns to be, for example, I wanted 4 columns, and the gutter, I'll show you, put preview here, and the gutter, this is the space in between elements. So you want to have a bit of space so that it's easier to cut later. And it should be fit guides to margins. If you're using margins, if not, just fit guides to page and then hit OK. You can also do the rows, but then again, for this type of stickers, it's not really, like here is not exactly the size of this row here, so it won't matter. So, all right. Okay, so first we'll do those rectangles. Go here, rectangle tool, and it's up to you how long your rectangle is. So just go ahead and do that. For now, let's just put an outline, and we will put graphics and patterns and colors later. I'll just show you how to create this first. And what else? All right, so you can duplicate this by holding the Alt or Option key and then just drag it to the side or wherever, like that. And you can also copy this, make it smaller, right? Something like this maybe. Here you go. And you can make this a rounded side by highlighting this one and then go here, rounded. Or you can also click this, let me show you, this yellow point over here. If you click this one, you will have all these 4 yellow sides, and here you can drag to anywhere you want. So if you want like a really rounded, then go ahead. All right, now that's easy. So what we'll do, this one is the same with this one, just make a smaller rectangle. And this one's, let's see, this one is also the same, that one, or just copy it. Right, and make it maybe smaller, something like this, and then just copy this one, make it shorter, like that, and make sure they're also aligned properly. So all you have to do is highlight these 3 shapes and then go to align and hit on this distribute vertical space. That will align them properly, and you want to align this one here too, so just align like that. All right, okay, so now you have that. You can have this centered if you want, or you can also make it a little bit smaller, and you can put some text over here or maybe a round shape. Make it a little bit smaller, then just copy this over here, center it, there we go. So now you have those for this ones. See, this one here, I just put some text and a little bit of text at the top as well. So you can do that too. It's up to you. You're the artist. Just do what you can. And these are just squares and rectangles and circles. All right, so how to do this ribbon? I'm going to show you how to do that. Oh, first, this type of ribbon here. Go to your rectangle tool again. Just create a rectangle. Put an outline for now. So next is to know the center. So just in case you missed that, just put a line over there. Just drag this one, the ruler. If you don't have this ruler right here, you can go to view here. It would say show rulers. Right now it says hide rulers because I already have my rulers here. So just click on that one and you will have those rulers. Okay, so now that I have that, what I'm going to do next is go to pen tool and then click in the middle, the center of that point. So once you have that, go to or use the direct selection tool, this one here, not this one, but this one, and then click on the point that you just did and then just pull it up. There you go. There, and we can get rid of this line, and there you have it. As for these heart shapes, you can actually get it anywhere. You know, like Creative Fabrica or any free icon sites, they have all this stuff, and you can just copy and paste it over there. Or if you want to get technical, you can just draw or create your own heart in InDesign. But the easier way is just get some icons or graphics on other sites, and Creative Fabrica, Creative Market, Design Cuts, they have lots of icons and graphics. And I use them all the time, and I have the links in the description, so if you want to check them out, just go ahead, and they give free icons and graphics and patterns every week. All right, so now that you have this one, you can duplicate this again and just, you know, rotate it, and you have this type of ribbon. Okay, so for this type of ribbon, it's the same thing. Just put another node over here and then just drag it to the right or to the left, however you did your thing here. Using the polygon tool and number of sides, put 3 and the star inset would be 0%. And just click OK. And let me put an outline over here, black, like this. And you can rotate this and make this bigger or smaller, however you want. So that's how you create a triangle like this one. And you can put whatever text you want, like this here. These ones are the same. This one here, what I did here is even like this, and I created a rectangle. So I just put them side by side together. So now let's see. Oh, the gradient. Nice one to create. Okay, so go ahead and use a rectangle tool. All you have to do is just do a rectangle, and then let me put a outline on that. Duplicate it. How many times you want is up to you. Okay, and make sure they're aligned. Okay, and we're gonna put colors for that later. So now let's try to put some patterns or colors or images on this. So what you can do is just go to File and then Place, and then look for the folder where you put all your images. Or an easier way to do is just to your Finder, if you're using Mac, drag it to your document here, and if too large, just hold Shift, Command, and Option key, and it will resize properly. All right, so I can put it here, better over here. Let's make it a little bit bigger, and I'm using graphics or images that are PNG format. That means transparent background. It's not even white. I don't even have a white here. So there you go. If you want to put color inside this rectangle or box, and you want to use the colors that are in your graphics, so what you do is go to Color Theme tool, just click on that one, and then click on the graphic, and it will show you something like this. And this has all the colors that are in your graphic, and if you click this arrow, you have all these other options. So what you can do with this one is, for example, this one, I want these colors. I'll just click on this icon. There you go. Go here to my swatch. I will have this color theme folder. This one are the colors in this one. So all I have to do is click on this, here the background or fill, and then click here, and I want something like this color, yellow or mustard, and I don't want the outline anymore. So while I'm still here, I can click on the outline and click none, or you can also go here and just click none. There, you don't have an outline anymore. And this one, I don't want an outline either, I'll click none, but I will want to have a background color. So maybe I can have this color, but make it lighter so I can write on it. There you go. And the same thing, or the same process that you can do with this one over all your other shapes. So that's how you put colors and patterns and images on each sticker. And if you have like patterns, you can just put it over instead of the colors. Okay, so now let's go to this gradient. So all you have to do is click everything, and for the outline, just click none. For the colors, I want to use the same colors here. It's maybe yellow, but the second one would have tint of like 80%. Hit enter. And the third one, I'll do 60%. It's up to you how much transparency you want. And this one is 40, and this one would be 20. Okay, so now that you have that, you can have spaces in between, or it's better to have none. It looks better to have no white space. Okay, and there you go. All right, so if you want to do another one or something like this again, all you have to do is just copy. Oh, this one here is not right. Okay, right, so just highlight everything and hold the Alt or Option key and then just drag it anywhere. And you don't have to do all the tinting or transparency changes again. All you have to do is change the fill color to any color you want, for example brown, and it will just automatically do everything for you. So that's it, and just put some text and you'll be okay. And this is what I have. I have the appointments and all these icons I found this on Creative Fabrica, and some of these are on Creative Market or Design Cuts, and some other vector or free PNG sites. Oh, and before I forget, you can find these stickers in my shop. I have the link in the description. Thank you again for watching, and please have a look at my other sticker tutorials. They're as easy as this. And before you go, please smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and if you have time, kindly share on social media to help others. That's it for now. Keep watching and keep learning. Bye!